My name is Roland Trauner. We are live at CeBIT 2010 here in Hanover. We have a big show at IBM. My role here at IBM is I'm the mainframe brand manager for mainframe System Z hardware at IBM. And we will show you a product today called the IBM Smart Analytics Optimizer. And Jan Klockow, who is responsible for the development as well as for the product rollout of the Smart Analytics Optimizer in the future, he will show you and explain you a little bit of this product.
Roland, thank you very much. So before I talk about the product itself that we call the Smart Analytics Optimizer, I'll talk about the challenges of the IT infrastructure today and why this technology is an important factor in the future and how to help our customers to handle the challenges that they're faced. So at first, of course, there is a complexity of system, test floor, data center environments already today. An enormous amount of heterogeneous environments needs to be handled. And in addition to that, the data explosion is a huge factor today. Data explosion just in the sense that there's more and more data created. The big theme at this show of IBM's smarter initiatives is just one testimony of that. But on the other side, it is also the requirement to our customers and to their customers to deliver services to handle this information in a very efficient and a very real-time way. What today's environments show in many cases is that the database-oriented backbone systems, where you see transaction processing and optimized environments in those very efficiently, but in some cases analytics environments are created off-site, away from the main core transaction processing environments. That creates a duplication of data and a replication of data marts in silos in various departments that need to be consolidated and need to be kept up to date. In order to avoid that, we introduce a very disruptive technology in nature, but we do it in a way that it is non-disruptive to the existing environment. The IBM Smart Analytics Optimizer is basically combining latest state-of-the-art technologies in the sense of in-memory database designs and modeling, vector architectures. It has taken use of multi-thread and multi-core architectures of today's kind, and is of course using also extreme compression. All these combined to one solution that is deeply integrated into the DB2 for z/OS, and with that the System Z structures. That in itself is the main differentiator of this technology. It is not a capsulated new environment, it is integrated into an existing environment, completely transparent to the application front end. That's the value that you can take out of this technology by having that deep integration. We have introduced this technology at IoT last year in Las Vegas and shared results of our first beta customer already in public. These results have demonstrated that we can take substantial leaps in performance. Query acceleration not by 50%, but by factor 10 and more, by factor 100 and more. The record right now is sitting at a query that took 90 minutes that we could execute in 17 seconds. That's in numbers 378 times faster. Now, that's an example. The message here is that it enables new data warehouse structures integrated close to operational data and operational data processing, basically combining OLTP and OLAP workloads in one system. The nature of consolidation, as System Z stands for, and of course, it is a new hardware, a blade center, as I mentioned before, attached in a Z structure and connected to System Z. But also on that side, besides the logical integration, we also take the system management integration serious. So the new System Z hybrid structures will basically take this complexity out as well. And this is what Roland will talk about later on. This is where the overall solution of the IBM Smart Analytics Optimizer will show its value transparent and still a new disruptive technology addition to IBM System Z.
Okay, thank you very much, Jan. Now, with this introduction of the product, I will show you now a little bit the base of the product, let's say the hardware fundament, of course, where it all runs. So we are going down in our showroom here at CeBIT, and I show you System Z hardware in a glass model, and I explain a little bit about the hybrid structure that Jan was just mentioning, and we will have a little bit more details in that one. So see you down in the showroom. We are here at a glass model of the System Z10 business glass model to show and demonstrate the technology here at CeBIT. The IBM Smart Analytics Optimizer will connect to this kind of server hardware and use this kind of server hardware together with new technology or other technology that we have, like blade centers. And this construct then, the blades, together with this System Z10 hardware, we will call it a hybrid environment in future, will be managed seamlessly together in one fashion, so that the solution to the end user doesn't look pretty different as it is today. The customer only looks at one solution, but we have a hardware environment that will be managed together.
Right, and with this enhanced system management structure, we can complement the already logical integration that I described earlier today, and with that have a seemingly integration of new disruptive technologies in a System Z context, so that no new additional complexity gets added to the system. With that, thank you for your attention. This technology is out not only to hear about, but also to look, feel, and get first results. We have an active beta program, a live demo, so there are lots of things that can be handled from here.
Thank you.
Thank you.